Hi everyone, today I'm going to be installing the shifter back into the car and also a matching engine oil dipstick. Alright, so there you have it. Got the matching dipstick. I have no oil in the car yet to verify everything works, but there's a certain stop at the bottom that this thing hits against, so it should be fine. And alright, so we have the shifter installed here, and for people that are not familiar with these, there's multiple slots. So for all different applications, you could install this bracket to hold here, you could hold it here, you could hold it back here. Same thing up here. You can see that there's two bolts that you could use, and you could shift this, accordingly. And then on the outside, I don't know if you could see it, but it's not really a screw, and it's more of like a tension thing. You put like a stop inside of here, and then you just tension this out to where it's like solid and grips the car. There's also some tension spots on top that you could use, but honestly these don't even hit. They're way too short, so is what it is. And then on the other side there's actually a neutral safety switch built in, which we'll get to that in another episode. Yeah, there you go. Everything is looking good. Until next time, have a great day.